I could have swore I said I wasn't buying those sneakers in March. Hey yo, what's good y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Now, technically, I have not lied to my subscribers. I have not bought myself anything. No sneakers so far this month. And I'm trying my best to keep that promise. Now, what I said was that the only sneaker that I wanted to get this month was the Lately May 6s. Now, I know that's going to be extremely difficult to get my hands on, probably. I have no idea. I don't even know what local places in my area have gotten the Lately May 6s in stock to start to sell on the 15th. I have no idea. Everybody's so hush hush and not, whatever. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get those or not. So I don't think I'm going to be able to make it this entire month without buying myself anything, because Jay just recently bought these. Now, for those of you that don't know what these are the Puma RS-X toys, the Bonnie Blue edition colorway, whatever that means. I don't know who Bonnie is. I know what blue is, but that's what these are called. Now, hopefully this ring light isn't washing these sneakers out. I'll try to get a little closer. But this pair, not this pair, this colorway, because obviously it's a women's shoe, but I'm getting at least two pair. At least two pairs of these. I'm late to the party. I haven't never got on the whole dad shoe chunky sneaker wave, but there's something about this sneaker. Obviously, you can see from the midsole that this is extremely chunky, dad shoe-ish. That's not a word, but we're gonna rock with it. It has a complete dad shoe vibe as far as what they, consider dad shoe with the big chunky midsoles. But it still doesn't feel like it's doing too much, man. After she got these, I was like, yo, those is fire. So obviously I went back and started doing my research. I started looking at people's videos, and these been out for a while. And they look extremely dope on foot. Extremely dope on foot. And I was like, I gotta have a pair. Now, I already know what pair, the first pair I'm getting. I don't know if y'all seen the Puma RS-X Hot Wheels 50th anniversary sneaker. I'll try to find a picture and put it on the screen. Those are coming home with your boy. Those are coming to Bobby Sneaker World. I have to have those. They're all black, blue and black with like gold accents. Gotta have them. There's a darker pair, like a blue and like hunter green. I'll try to put them on the screen. Gotta have them. Now there's a bright color that I'm gonna try to freak for the summer. They're like a red and white or something. Wants those too. So I need at least 2 or 3 pair of these, man. It's a lot cheaper than buying everything Jordan brand. They kick you in the teeth with these prices, man. $200 retail for everything you buy gets old fast. Now she was able to pay $80 for these. I'll go over that a little bit later in the video, why that was. But let's go over the sneaker a little bit. It's not much to go over, even though there's so much to go over. It's so much going on. There's so many different materials, so many obviously different colors on this sneaker. But let's go over it a little bit. As you can see, all around the midsole, it switches from color to color, material to material. Back here on closer to the heel, you got your green. Towards the middle of the midsole, midfoot, you got like a tangerine orange, and then close to the front, I think you got like a rubberized purple here. Now you got a lighter purple across the upper right here. It's like a and then it switches into a blue. Both of these are in like a synthetic suede. On the what makes out the Puma sign is this rubberized stripes and a green, which is really, really dope. If you swing around to the heel, you got like a ribbed purple heel tab with like a blue pull tab. Then you got your, obviously you got your orange back of the ankle, but on the front of the ankle, on the tongue, you got a green, and you got your RS-X in blue, and your Puma logo at the top of that. On your outsole, you got all of the colors that make up the sneaker at the bottom as well. On the lateral side, you got this, what it says, RS for, it stands for running systems. So I'm assuming this is a running sneaker. And what she told me, this is one of the most comfortable sneakers that she's ever put on her foot. More than Boost and Yeezys and all of that. It's extremely comfortable. I have to try it out for myself. I have to make it to the mall probably today just to at least try it on a pair, because I don't think that they have the 50th anniversary Hot Wheel joints in the mall. So I have to try these on first so I make sure that I get what I want when I order them. But these are fire. Now, I done forgot. Hey, we still on the road to 1,500 subscribers. I'm not here to beg for subscribers or anything like that, but I do have to. I have set many milestones for myself, so I gotta keep putting it in you guys' ear as well, because I can keep telling myself to set many milestones here on this platform. Excuse me. So we are on the road to 1,500 subscribers. The goal is to make it there by the end of next month. I have no idea if we can do it or not, but with y'all help, we can. If y'all like what y'all see when y'all watching my channel, hit that thumbs up button, man. Anybody that continues to comment down below, there's plenty of people that watch my videos, they comment on every video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button as well. If I'm getting, 300, 400, 1,000 views, I would love to get at least half of those people to hit the thumbs up button, man. So I love each and every one of you guys, man. You guys will be seeing more of these on the channel, because like I said, I'm getting at least 2 pairs of these joints. These are fire, and you will be seeing an on foot of these. So let me know in the comments down below, man, how y'all feel about the silhouette. Good, bad, or indifferent. Don't bother me none. I like them. So that's all that really matters. But if you don't, let me know down in the comments below. Don't hit the thumbs down button. Just let me know that you hate them. All right. I love y'all. Hey. Oh, me.